Good afternoon all, I'm Sohini and right now in our studio is a versatile personality and a seasoned mimic, Mr. Sudesh Bhosle. Good afternoon sir.
Very good afternoon.
Thank you for coming to our studios and thank you for giving your precious time.
You're most welcome and all the best to you.
Thank you. Sir, I've heard आपके childhood में, in your childhood, you were more inclined to painting.
Yeah.
So how did singing become your, because singing was your hobby, so how did it come into your life?
My father was a very famous painter, N.R. Bhosle, and our family business was painting, and we had a very big studio in Worli, Mumbai, um, where my father used to paint for different posters, film posters. He used to do those hand-painted banners and hoardings. Um, he has done all those great movies like Mughal Azam, Jhanak Jhanak Payal or Dosti and so on. And I joined him as his assistant in 1974 when I was just 14 years old, and I'm very happy and proud to say that during that time Prem Nagar, Rajesh Khanna, Hema Malini's movie Prem Nagar, in which the song was very popular. ये लाल रंग कब मुझे छोड़ेगा. So most of the banners were painted by me. Then it was followed by Julie, Swayamvar, Swargnar, and so on.
Oh.
So since like from 74 to 82, I was doing like painting, assisting my father regularly. And in 82, as I told you, I was like little, like um, little inclined or maybe attracted to the stage, like when I joined my cultural group in my college, and I started liking that atmosphere, the music, the applause, and the money, little money. So slowly, I don't know what happened. I became closer to the stage, and brush is still in my hand, but I was little away from painting.
Okay.
And then, of course, because of my so-called talent of mimicking or singing in different voices, people started calling me different groups, different playback singers, right from, as I said, Kishore Da, Asha Ji, Lata Ji. They used to call me to sing, accompany them in their shows. So it was not by choice, but of course, I don't know. Um, I started liking that, and it slowly became my hobby, became my profession.
You have mimicked Amitabh Bachchan, Sanjeev Kumar, Anil Kapoor. So, do you intend to mimic the new generation actors like Amitabh Bachchan's son Abhishek Bachchan?
Imitation of actors or singers was not intentional. It was like accidentally happened to me. I was just okay singer. I used to sing in different voices since childhood, like R.D. Burman, S.D. Burman, Kishore Kumar, Muhammad Rafi, Mukesh ji, and so on, like almost 14 to 15 voices. And mimicry, like imitating the stars, the actors, happened to me. Actually, I went to see a movie, Mukaddar Ka Sikandar.
Okay.
Amitabh, Vinod Khanna, Amjad Khan. And I liked the movie so much, and especially the characters of all these three great actors. And next day, when I went to school, I just saw a girl, and I don't know what happened to me. I said, "Hey, Soroja, So my friend said, "Ki whatever you said now was exactly like Amitabh Bachchan." So there was a friend of mine who was Devanand's fan.
Okay.
So he came to my house next day with a small tape recorder, and he asked me some funny questions like, और अमित जी आजकल क्या चल रहा है? और नहीं भैया कुछ नहीं, वो आजकल शूटिंग वूटिंग चल रही, प्रेस वाले बहुत तंग कर रहे हैं, और तुमको ऐसा कुछ तो. And when we replayed the whole thing, I was shocked कि that was very very close to him. And then the idea clicked. I got all his videos, video movies like Diwar, Zanjeer, Andha Kanun, Lawaris, so on. Then I used to, record them. And one day I was called in National College, and where I first, that was my first time in front of like proper audience and college students. I did a scene from Amar Akbar Anthony.
Okay.
I said, अभी मैं अमिताभ बच्चन की आवाज़ तो और सीटियाँ मिटियाँ बजी. Then I said, one second. Then I said, इधर तुम्हारे घर में तुम्हारे सामने किसी ने फादर को और तुम देखते रह गए. अगर इस दुनिया से किसी को उठाने का था, अगर इस दुनिया से किसी को उठाने का था, दफन को उठाने का था. दुनिया में लाखों लोग ऐसा मासूम एंथनी को चर्च के बाहर मरने के लिए छोड़ देता है. कौन पालता है साला और इस बच्चा लोग को? ये पालता है ये. There was like pin drop silence, and then once more, I got confidence कि yes, I can imitate Mr. Bachchan. And राजकुमार, जानी दुनिया के गले पे छुरी रखना है तो पहले अपने गले पे छुरी रखो. Yeah, वगैरह. And then I was the first person to imitate the most famous villain, Ajit Loyan,
Okay.
who made Mona Darling famous.
हाँ.
मोना, तुम नहीं जानती हो, तुम बहुत स्मार्ट हो और ये भी लड़का बहुत स्मार्ट है. हाउ सो वेरी नाइस ऑफ यू. ऐसे बोले. एंड देन लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल, they offered me a song, and that was a first experiment in the history of film industry, that a playback singer singing in an actor's voice. Instead of just following his character, I dubbed the song, like I sang the song, the very famous, which became anthem of India in 90 from movie Hum. Chumma chumma de de, chumma chumma de de chumma. And so now I'm trying to discover my own voice.
Okay.
And frankly, I'm not that interested in the new voices, or maybe I cannot. The new generation, they imitate them better. So I am concentrating more on singing and in my own original voice.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Like the younger mimics or the younger generation, they identify themselves with them. And I don't know, I cannot, or maybe what I think, it's not, with due respect to everyone, I don't think their voices suit their physics.
Oh God.
You see all that, because what we have followed, like Amitabh Bachchan, Shatrughan Sinha, Dharmendra, Vinod Khanna, and the voices today, I feel they're more thinner. They should be more manly.
Who was that? Who would always remain your idol in the industry?
Actually, I've followed a lot of singers and actors. Right from Sehgal Sahab, S.D. Burman was my favorite. If today's generation know his voice, I don't know. I'll give you one example, a very popular song. सुन मेरे बंधु रे, सुन मेरे मितवा, सुन मेरे साथी. S.D. Burman, the great S.D. Burman, R.D. Burman's Pitashri father, the late S.D. Burman. And I used to love Rafi Sahab. And the most lovable, my idol, who inspired me and who always keeps inspiring me, is and was Kishore Kumar.
Oh.
I always I loved him, because simple reason, whatever he sings touches not my heart, everyone's heart. He makes you laugh, he makes you sing, he makes you love, he makes you cry, everything. Kishore Kumar is the ultimate.
Your son, he has started his own band.
Yeah.
So is the tradition of singing going to continue, or is it just a hobby? Does he follow you, by the way?
Yeah, he does follow me. In fact, he started learning music at the age of 5. My mother started teaching him. And now he's grown up with, like, he sings Indian classical and is very good at guitar,
Okay.
Western classical. He's a good drummer and he's a main lead vocalist in his band. He has his own band, Red Seems Right,
Oh.
and he writes his own songs, composes them, and he's already started performing. And he used to perform since age of 5. He has performed with me all over the world. He has performed with Asha Bhosle ji, and now he has his own shows. And
Okay.
I think it's not just a hobby, but his passion now. Professionally, he
What do
performs.
you think about today's generation music?
I think today's generation is very intelligent, very talented.
Okay.
Only thing, they should be properly guided by their
Okay.
parents and their teachers or the music teachers. And I think the future is very bright.
Yeah.
Only they should focus on what they want. They should know their goal. And only remember one thing: there's no shortcut to success. There's no shortcut to success. That's it. Otherwise, they are very talented, very good musicians, very talented singers, writers, actors,
Yeah.
everyone. They're
So-
very talented. This is a very, like, fast-forward generation.
Hmm.
Yeah. So even we cannot compete with them. They're very sharp, very intelligent.
Okay. And
India's future is very bright. I would like to mention a few music directors like Vishal Shekhar, Shankar Ehsaan Loy. There are many, even Sajid Wajid, they have given good music. And of course the great A.R. Rahman.
Yes.
Yes.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you define true music? Like true music?
It's not, if you learn good music, you are a good musician. Good music, a good song is the one which touches your heart. A common man who doesn't understand music, who has not learned music, he should be happy.
Okay.
You should be able to make him happy or make him cry, whatever. You should have that power in your music. Then your music is successful. I listen to English music. I don't like understand a word, but the tune, the
tune.
melody,
Yeah.
the sound
Yes.
of the instruments, that is important. Now we listen to all languages, Chinese music, Japanese music,
Yeah.
African music. Now tell me that waka waka.
Yeah,
Do
we
you
don't
understand
know.
a word?
No.
But because it's so sweet, it's so soothing, or maybe it appeals to your mind, in your ears, that's music.
So have you tried rapping?
See, rapping for the younger generation, it may be something new, but rap has been done for ages. Like the first rap, the popular rap which I had heard, that was done by our great Dada Muni Ashok Kumar in Ashirwad. Railgadi. रेलगाड़ी छुप 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 बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 तलेगांव मालेगांव 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 तलेगांव तलेगांव गुरेगांव रुक 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 बीच वाले स्टेशन बोल रुक 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 That's rap. We all love it. And I had done a song, a small then semi rap in Kranti Virar, sung for Nana Patekar in his voice. मी पाहिलं तुझ्या डोळ्यांच्या थ्रू कधी 101 कधी 102 त्या दिवशी झाला फीवर सुरू You know my age is 30 plus 9. Oh, that means you are old wine. We have done a lot of rap. So I don't mind, doing more rap.
Thank you, sir, for giving us your precious time. And we hope to see you in many more avatars like this. Like you've been a mimic, then you're a singer, you're a painter. We have seen so many paintings of yours. So we just wish that you come in more avatars like this in future.
Sure. Would like to visit your college. I welcome you to my recording studio with all your students and your teachers and the principal, and listen to good music, melodious music. Keep Indian music alive. All the best. Om Namah Shivaya.